and there's the war on free speech, right? So whether it's Silicon Valley and these social media sites, or newspapers, or news programs, or the classroom, or even in your workplace, or just generally, you can see that you have to watch what you say, who you say it in front of, how you say it. It's changed completely from 5-10 years ago. And this is part of the totalitarian mindset. That's what wokeness is. I don't really like the word woke. It's way too passive to me. It just sounds too nice. Ooh, woke. Like you just woke up. Oh, I woke up from a sleep. No, you're woke. I like more than, no, you're a stinking totalitarian. That's actually better if you're pushing this agenda.